Morning is not just a greeting, it's a blessing that we receive every day. And it becomes the icing on the cake when we start it with the blessings of Almighty God. So, in this, I invite Reverend Father Vice Principal to lead us into the Lord's Prayer. It's a symbol of love, wisdom, and playfulness. So, in this cue, our senior students have prepared an instrumental song. So let us sing and raise our voices together to pay tribute to the mighty God and the Prince of Dwarika.
जैसे सुनाते नहीं, बोल मीरा के जैसे सुनाते नहीं। कृष्ण राम कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। वीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, वीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम दामोदरम कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं। माया यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माया यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम।
This word, when we say Krishna, comes to our mind is butter, gopiyan, and dance and flutes. What all we think what Krishna did the entire life was this. But there are many misconceptions about Krishna. His butter business was just till the age of 16. At the age of 16, when his guru Sandrapali made him realize the real purpose of his life, the very first thing that he did was he left Vrindavan. He left Vrindavan and never again came back. He never again came back to see any of his friends, his family, even Radha. Radha? A simple girl, but what made her divine was her faith and devotion towards Krishna. So when Krishna was leaving from Vrindavan, Krishna came to Radha and offered his flute to Radha as a token of love. He said that I played the flute only for you, and now since I'm leaving, I am offering this flute to you. And it is Radha who played the flute of Krishna for her entire life. So this is a communication between Krishna and Radha. And Radha is saying, कब से संभाले दुनिया का ये बवाल, थक गया होगा कान्हा खुद को संभाल। है गीता भी बाँची है अर्जुन भी साधा, धर्म के युद्ध में हुआ तू तो आधा। रथ की कमानी से बांधी जवानी, तेरी फिक्र में बैठी है राधा। कब से संभाले दुनिया का ये बवाल, थक गया होगा कान्हा खुद को संभाल। कान्हा कहते हैं सुनो, सुनो क्यों बांधू झूठी आस के लौट आऊंगा तुम्हारे पास। यहाँ तो हर शाम होता युद्ध विराम, कहीं धर्म का पलड़ा भारी, कहीं अधर्म ने बाजी मारी। जो मैं होता इंसान तो शायद लौट आता, ये बंधन तोड़ पाता, पर मैं तो हूँ भगवान, धर्म अधर्म के चक्र में बंधा विधाता। कब से संभाले दुनिया का ये बवाल, थक गया होगा कान्हा खुद को संभाल। This is Krishna. So now we have Akaisha Gaur with us on her speech on Krishna Janmashtami.
Dine dine navam navam namami nand sambhavam. Respected Reverend Father Bhupendra, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on the auspicious festival of Janmashtami, the festival that makes the birth of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is celebrated with great devotion, joy and enthusiasm all over the India. According to the Hindu mythology, Lord Krishna was born more than 5,000 years ago in Mathura to Mata Devaki and Pita Vasudeva. His birth took place at midnight in a prison at the time when the world was suffering from evil and injustice. He came to protect dharma and destroy adharma. Nand ke anand bhayo jai kanhaiya lal ki, hathi ghoda pal ki jai kanhaiya lal ki. Yes, Krishna's childhood was full of delightful stories, stealing butter, playing with the flute and his innocent pranks with his friends. But beyond these playful tales, his life holds deep lessons for us. He taught us to be fearless, to stand up for truth, and to perform our duties without attachment to the results. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said, Karmanyavadikaraste ma phaletu kadachanam. This means we have the right to do our duty, but not to worry about the fruits of our action. This is a timeless message that still guides us in our life today. On Janmashtami, people decorate temples and their homes beautifully. Devotees sing bhajans, perform dances like Ras Leela and enjoy events like Dahi Handi, where young teams form human pyramids to break a pot of curd, remembering Krishna's love for butter. Many people also fast during the day and break it at midnight, the time of Krishna's birth. The festival is not only a celebration but also a reminder to live with love, to be humble, to stand for what is right. Let us celebrate this Janmashtami by trying to follow in Krishna's path, spreading joy and keeping faith in God's plan. May His wisdom inspire us on our path and His blessing give us strength. Thank you and wish you all a very happy Janmashtami.
understood, experienced by many, many in different ways. His power, his glory cannot be defined in words. His playfulness and his wisdom. He enlightens Arjun in the youth of Kurukshetra. With his happy birthday today, we wind up this celebration of Sri Krishna Janmashtami. I request you all to please give a huge round of applause for every single person who have participated in this event. I thank you, dear audience, for being patient, and I thank Reverend Father Vice Principal for his gracious presence and support to make this function a real success.